Hello, Dave here from DM Online. Did you ever get really bored with just having nothing but pale blue folders for all your stuff on your Macbook desktop? And even worse than that, it can be quite, when you get quite a load of them, it can be quite difficult to find something quickly that you're looking for. Wouldn't it be great if you could just change the colour of some of those folders? Well, you can, and in this video I'm just going to show you really quickly how you can do that. So let's jump on the laptop and get started. Here are a few I did earlier, and this is how you do it. So you pick the folder you want to change and right click, and then in the drop down go for get info, and then in the box, the window that opens, click on the little image on the top left and then edit copy. Okay, next we want to open preview, so you can do that either in Finder or Spotlight. Just type in preview, get that open. Okay, and then we want to do new from clipboard. And when that window opens, we go up to tools and hit adjust color. And then in the adjust the color window, you can do a couple of things. You can play around these little color handles, which is kind of what I did, and just jam around in there until you get a color that you like. Or you can use the controls that are underneath, the saturation and hue, that contrast, all that kind of stuff. But you can get some pretty wild stuff going on. As you can see, we'll go for something crazy just to highlight the whole situation. Well, I like the red thing with the black interior. Just by playing around with those little colour handles, guys, that's the way to do that. So I kind of like that. I'm going to go for it, and so I'm just going to go to edit copy. Sometimes this can take a couple of attempts, so that's what's happening here. But we want to just copy that and then go back to the window that was open we initially changed, and then just paste that in again onto the little icon on the top left. Sometimes it takes a couple of attempts, like it's happening here, typically just when I decide to do a video. I'll try it again, copy and paste. And there we go. So you can see the little icon and the big icon in the bottom changing. And if we just close everything down until you can see your desktop again, I don't need to save anything. Close down all these windows, and there it is. That's my new folder color. Okay, so I think you'll agree that's a pretty simple thing to do. You'll notice when I started I showed you that some of mine are icons. That's pretty simple to do as well. I might do another video on that. If anyone wants that, just let me know in the comments and so on. But it's actually really simple. All you really do is follow the same process, but instead of doing file new from clipboard, you're just going to get the image you want first of all and copy that to the clipboard, and just paste that in to the tiny little icon on the top left in the same window as we did before. So it's as simple as that. Like I say, if you liked this video and found it helpful, please let me know, and if you want me to do one on the icon thing, I certainly will. So thanks for watching. It's been Dave here from DM Online. And just before I go as well, I've given you a link here to a series of 4 videos which I found really life-changing myself 7 years ago when I transitioned from the traditional economy to the digital economy. I started doing internet marketing and making my living online. So if that's of interest, you might find these videos useful. And there's another one of mine under there as well that you may also find useful. So let's keep in touch. Thanks for now. Bye.